Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can download Bitwarden on PC. So in order to do that, first go to a web browser and type vault.bitwarden.com. Enter and just log in with your existing ID and password and go to the top right corner and click the drop down and you will get a button called Get the App. Just click it and it will take you to another web page where you will find Windows, iOS and Linux. I am a Windows user, so I will use Windows, but you can use macOS or Linux, whatever you may prefer. So it will start downloading and just click install button like this and it will start installing and it will install in few seconds. After installing, log into the app and you will get something like this. So this is Bitwarden PC application. Now what you can do, first go to Files, Settings, scroll down and then you will find Themes. Click the drop down and select Dark. So it is a bit prettier than the white and it gives less strain to your eyes. So in this app we have items, favorites, trash, then in types we have login, card, identity, secure note, and then we have folders in which we can create a folder if we want to save anything in that folder. And in the options we have file, in which we have new logins, items, new folders, sync, export, settings, vault, lock wall, all vaults, logout and quit Bitwarden. Then comes edit, in which undo, redo, cut, copy, paste, select all, username, password and copy verification code. And then comes view, in which search wall, generate password history, where you can find all your password history, and then zoom in, zoom out. And then comes account, where you can buy a premium account or change password. Then comes two-step verification, in which you can add an extra two-step login procedure in your PC application. Then comes Windows, and in the end, help, where you can contact or ask for help from Bitwarden support. Now let's see how we can use this application. First, we need to create a folder. I will name it password. And save it. Now the main part, how you can use this software to log in or save your passwords, and we will test it on Facebook. So then we'll click on login and then on the plus icon down below we'll click login, because we are using for website in which ID and password is required. So I will fill up the details like username, name and password. Then after filling up your details, click on folder and save it in the password folder and just click save down here. And then you can find your saved ID password right here. And that's all for the desktop Bitwarden app. And thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and like, and take care.